Hey everyone, it's your girl Symba.rae and I'm back with another video. Today's video will be about my empty products. Basically all the products that I've used between January and March, and I managed to empty out and how I feel about them. So I separated everything between hair and skin slash hygiene. So we're gonna start with the hair stuff. So to start with these two products called Emergencia. My Spanish is not all that, please excuse me. It's basically emergency in Spanish, and these are deep, intense hair treatments. So deep conditioners. This one is a keratin repair formula, and then this one is enriched with organic coconut oil. I originally thought that this one was this one. I did not know there was 3 different ones. The third one is one with avocado. I haven't tried that one yet, but I will say that these worked really well with my natural hair. I do prefer this one over this one, so I would definitely buy this one again. At my local beauty supply store, they're originally $7.99. I did get them on a sale for $5, so I did purchase it because at the moment I really needed a deep conditioner. I had no more. So as you can see, I really liked it, so I used all of it. Next we have is the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa conditioner, and this is a grazing bruh. This is so amazing. It gives you slip. I use this as a detangler or a co-wash. A former coworker recommended it to me last summer, and I decided to actually try it out, and I really liked it. So I definitely recommend this. I think at Trader Joe's it's like $2.99. It's really cheap, so definitely if you're looking for a co-wash or a detangler, I would recommend this. Next is the L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Leave-In Conditioner. I actually saw this in my house, and I'm just like, okay, nobody's using it, let me try it out. I would not buy this. It wasn't terrible, but it just wasn't for me. It didn't moisturize my hair. I even used this for my twist outs, and I didn't get the same results as I would with like something else I would use for a twist out. I'm not sure how much this costs, but I wouldn't buy this again, or buy it at all. I didn't buy it the first time. And lastly, for hair, is the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. This is great, and it smells delicious. Like, it reminds me of cupcakes or something. But I definitely enjoyed this for my twist outs. They came out really nicely. Most of the time, I just leave my twist in, but when I did twist it out, this really worked. So I do recommend this. I didn't purchase this by itself. It came in like a gift box from Target, and this so happened to be in it, so I said why not try it out. As for the skin slash hygiene, we have the Rite Aid Renewal Apricot Scrub. It is supposed to be the equivalent to the St. Ives, and I would say that this did work for my skin. I don't remember how much I purchased it for. However, I do want to find a scrub that's not that abrasive. So would I buy this again? No, for the simple fact that I want something that is able to exfoliate gently on my skin, but it did get the job done, so I will give it that. Next is the Colgate Essentials, sorry, it's upside down, with charcoal, and it was all right. It, as you can see, is a fresh mint scent, or taste I should say. I wouldn't say that it whitened my teeth the way I would have wanted it to, but it was all right for a toothpaste. I think I paid like $4 something for it, or $3 something. I don't really remember, but would I buy this again? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence about it. Next is the Gillette Venus Extra Smooth Sensitive Razors. It's 3 that comes in a pack. Oh, actually 2 that comes in a pack. It's 5 blades. I did save one for this video, so this is what it looks like. It is a disposable razor. So like, I usually use disposable razors for my private area if I just need to like do a quick shave or whatever the case may be. I try not to shave, but if I have to, I would use a disposable razor. But it worked. It didn't cut me, no razor bumps. It could be because of other stuff that I use, but I liked it. It was all right. And then we have African Shea Butter, 100% natural, that I got from my local beauty supply store. I think I paid $5 for this jar. And at first I was using it by itself, and then like I started looking into whipped shea butter. I wanted to buy some, and then I was just like, why don't I just make some myself? So that's exactly what I did. I used my African shea butter, put together some oils, melted it down, whipped it up, and it was amazing on my skin. I will not go back to regular lotion. I've been too spoiled now. So I did finish this. I do recommend everyone to use African shea butter. And the only time I used it on my hair was to like seal my ends, and it definitely worked for me. But I love it. Right now I'm using cocoa butter just to like try out different butters. And then lastly for skin is the Garnier Skinactive Micellar Cleansing Water. I don't wear makeup often. When I do wipe it off with this, with like a cotton pad, and it definitely gets the makeup off. I usually wash my face afterwards. However, if I am really drunk one night, or if I'm really tired and I do not want to sleep in my makeup, I would just use this and go to bed. As long as you get it off, that is fine. And that's it for all my empty products. Oh, I don't remember how much I paid for it, but you could get it at Target. So thank you very much. I didn't want to make this a long video or anything. I am trying to do more on YouTube, but I am a bit shy, and then I don't really have a lot of ideas. I think it's just a part of anxiety and like self-doubt or anything like that, but I am going to try. So with that being said, I wish everyone to be safe and be well, and that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye.